More news tonight. Norwegian authorities are investigating strange light seen in the Arctic sky. The spiralling white light was seen for several minutes on Wednesday morning.
The secretary of our radio and TV station saw this phenomenon this morning, these lights in the sky, and she was really pleased when all the calls started to flood the switchboard, and then all the pictures came and we got mobile phones and videos sent to the station. So this is the talk of the day here in this part of Norway. Well, the information we got was that the most plausible things that would have happened is that this was a Russian rocket fired from a testing site near the White Sea, that something went wrong with the rocket. It either exploded, controlled from the control center, or something just burned and it was a misfiring of this rocket. One of the big Norwegian internet pages has published that the Russian Northern Fleet says no. They say niet, they haven't fired any missiles. So that's what the information is just now. The Norwegian expert says that this is plausible Russian rocket, but there's no confirmation as far as we know that this is a Russian rocket.